This video reviews Schwinn Group Cycle Preventative Maintenance. Preventative maintenance is a schedule of planned maintenance actions aimed at the prevention of failures. PM is the best way to preserve and enhance equipment reliability by keeping key components clean and free of debris. Some types of PM need to be performed more often than others. To keep the equipment in top condition, perform regular, daily, weekly, and monthly routines outlined in this video. Recommended tools. Cleaning solution made of a 5:1 dilution ratio, where 5 parts water are mixed with 1 part of Simple Green, Fantastic, or 409. Silicone or Teflon based lubricant or equivalent. Schwinn equipment polish or equivalent. Standard tool set. Torque wrench. Note: always spray cleaning solutions and polish onto a clean towel first, then wipe the equipment. Daily maintenance. Wipe down and clean bike and frame. Sweat is highly corrosive to metal. Clean the entire bike. Add extra effort to areas where sweat comes in direct contact with the equipment. Daily maintenance. Wipe console with a soft, non-abrasive cloth to remove all sweat after each use. Do not spray water or any cleaner directly onto the console surfaces. Never use abrasive cleaning liquids, nor cleaning liquids with oil, ammonia, or alcohol base. Weekly maintenance. Inspect each console, sensor, and cables for loose parts or damage. Adjust or replace as necessary. Weekly maintenance. Inspect for loose assemblies, nuts or bolts, and tighten as necessary. Remove and replace any components that are damaged or deemed unsafe. Weekly maintenance. Inspect pedal bolts. Verify that pedal bolts are tight after the first 10 hours of use and after every 100 hours of use thereafter. Pedal to crank arm bolt torque is 33 to 37 foot-pounds. Crank arm to bottom bracket torque is 37 foot-pounds. Weekly maintenance. Check flywheel alignment. Realign flywheel as necessary. For this procedure, please reference the respective product service manual on the core support site. Monthly maintenance. Inspect seat for wear and tighten hardware. Monthly maintenance. Inspect pedals for excessive lateral or side-to-side movement or bearing resistance, which indicates the pedals need to be replaced. Inspect and tighten pedal toe clips and shoe straps. Monthly maintenance. Inspect the leveling feet. Ensure the bike is level by adjusting all 4 leveling feet as needed. Turn the leveling foot clockwise to lower the bike and counterclockwise to raise the bike. When leveled properly, the bike should not wobble or lean to any one side. Monthly maintenance. Clean and seal the frame. Use Schwinn equipment polish or equivalent to clean, shine, seal, and protect the metal frame and components. Monthly maintenance. Lubricate handlebar and seat post assembly horizontal and vertical sliders. Use silicone or Teflon based lubricant or equivalent. Monthly maintenance. Inspect welds for any signs of cracking. If any cracks are found, report them to our service team at support@corehnf.com or 1-800-503-1221 immediately. Monthly maintenance. Perform the 4i power meter calibration. For this procedure, please reference video 646-1327, Schwinn Echelon 2G console and app 0-point calibration, or document 637-8586 from the Core support site.